1inch is a DEX aggregator that professes to empower quick, rewarding and secure tasks in the DeFi space by steering and associating numerous driving DEs. 1inch is the symbolic that controls the 1inch organization environment. It works with different tokenomics and fills in as an administration and utility token. 2 years after their send-off, their tokens wind up recorded on north of 50 trades and stand out with the rising fame of DeFi. Yet, 1inch is still generally new in a consistently advancing business sector. What precisely is it, and how much potential does it have? Has it balanced out at a legitimate cost? Or does it actually have space to develop? Underneath, we investigate 1inch and inspect a few subtleties as well as expectations to gauge a sensible cost for 2022, as well with respect to the impending years. It ought to be noticed that while value expectations depend on information, and frequently are broke down by simulated intelligence, they ought to never be taken as monetary exhortation or a strong reason for a speculation. It is in every case strongly suggested clients do their own examination into the tasks whose tokens they wish to put resources into. 1inch symbolic value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022-12-01 plus 5.21% $0 5270 2022 1202 1.11% $0 4953 2022 1203 plus 2.99% $0 5158 2022 1204 1.58% $0 4930 2022 1205 6.07% $0 4704 2022 1206 6.69% $0 4673 2022 1207 plus 1.89% $0 5103 2022 1208 4.71% $0 4772 2022 1209 4.05% $0 4806 2022 1210 2.64% 48 cents 1inch symbolic value forecast 2022 deck 15.52% $0 4231 2023 Jan 26.78% $0 3667 2023 Feb 21.61% $0 3926 2023 Blemish 12.38% $0 4388 2023 Apra 2.78% $0 4869 2023 May plus 2.91% $0 5154 2023 Jun plus 10.38% $0 5528 2023 Joel plus 17.57% $0 5888 2023 Aw plus 34.24% $0 6724 2023 Sep plus 32.23% $0 6623 2023 Aw plus 44.09% $0 7217 2023 Na plus 54.50% 77 cents 1inch value expectation 2025 Our expectation model sees 1 coming to $1.23 in 2025. What will 1 be worth in 5 years? The cost of 1 in 5 years could lie around $1.18. 1 symbolic value forecast 2030 to 2040. What 1 organization will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees 1 organization coming to $3.07 in 2030. What 1 organization will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees 1 organization coming to $6.14 in 2040. Will 1 organization supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, 1 organization won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could 1 organization at any point reach $10? Indeed, 1 organization could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Might 1 organization at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for 1 organization to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is 1 organization worth purchasing? We are backers of reasonably unsafe financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of large cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, 1 organization merits purchasing. Is 1 organization a wise speculation? 1 organization is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will 1 organization be worth? For the transient future, it could reach 29 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $3.07 or significantly higher. For what reason will 1 organization succeed and become more expensive? 1 organization has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees 1 organization ascending to $3.07 in 2030. For what reason will 1 organization fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and forsakes the venture, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of very much planned showcasing technique, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. Could 1 organization at any point reach $100? Indeed, it is conceivable that 1 organization can reach $100, however, just in a far-off future, after 2030. How high will 1 organization go? Our estimating model sees 1 organization value detonating and coming to $6.14 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for 1 organization? 1 organization will reach 29 cents in the following 90 days, which is a 40.6% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around 50 cents. Could 1 organization at any point make you a tycoon? Indeed, assuming you purchase enormous enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute